Elevate your Shopify store's logo with a stunning transparent header that seamlessly blends your content and captivates visitors from the first glance. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate to the online store section located in the left-hand menu. From there, click on the Customize button for your active theme. This will open the theme editor, where we'll make our aesthetic enhancements. In the theme editor, locate the header section. You'll typically find this as a primary section on your home page or in the general theme settings. Now, let's work on achieving the transparency. We need to adjust the background color of the header logo for the color settings within the header configuration. Here's the key step. Select a fully transparent color for your header. This is usually indicated by a white color swatch with an opacity slider. Make sure the opacity slider is brought all the way down to 0, making the header completely see-through. Depending on your theme, there might be further options to control how the header interacts with your content. Look for settings that affect header visibility, positioning, or how it blends with the sections below. Now, observe how your header will now allow the background, image, or content of the section directly beneath it to show through, creating that seamless, modern look. Once you're happy with the transparency and how your header appears, remember to click the Save button in the top right corner to apply these changes to your store. And just like that, you've created a visually appealing, transparent header that will undoubtedly enhance your Shopify store's professionalism and attract more customers.